Hi everyone, I'm Danielle with a Novel Plan. Welcome to my channel if you're new. If you are returning, hi guys, welcome back. Today is the video that everybody's been waiting for. It is going to be my 2022 planner lineup. I am so excited to share these. It has taken me quite a while to figure out what I'm going to use. I have been going back and forth between all of them. I'm going to start with these planners. It is not a guarantee that I'm going to finish with them, but this is what I feel like will help me in 2022 right now. Again, 6 months from now, I don't really know if I'm going to be using the same planners, but this is what I'm starting with. So I thought I would share with you guys what I'm going to be using. So I'm going to show you them first, talk a little bit about them, and then I will flip you guys around and I will show you kind of in depth exactly what the inside of them look like. First planner is my tried and true. I have been in this planner for this one in particular about 6 months, but this type of planner, it's been about 1.5 years now where I have used this one, and it is this guy right here. This is the Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. Again, this one has been like, it's been with me through it all. I absolutely love it. And I found a way that I'm going to fit this into my planner lineup. This guy right here is going to be my weekly overview planner. That's how I've been using it. All my big activities go in here. It's kind of more like a time blocking, so I can figure out where my plans are and where I have open space. So first one up is the Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. Second up is this guy right here. This is the Erin Condren Petite Planner. This is the Meal Planner Petite Planner. I am on this health journey this year, and this guy is honestly going to be one of my best friends. This one is going to track all my meals. It's going to, write down my grocery list, things like that. So I'll show you guys what this looks like on the inside. So this is planner number 2. Planner number 3 is going to be my workhorse. This is going to be my planner that has the bulk of my nitty-gritty stuff, and that is going to be this guy. This is a new company to me this year. This is the Makselife A5 Daily Planner, and I'm so excited for this one. This one is the one that I'm so excited to just get down into. It has daily spreads. It has like a weekly overview that I can use for whatever I want, but this is gonna have a lot of my nitty-gritty stuff. So this one's gonna be kind of the one I can't live without. So the Makselife Daily is the 3rd planner. And then the 4th one is going to be this guy. This is the Makselife 12-month flagship planner in the vertical layout. And this one is going to be kind of a journaling, self-care, goal-setting planner. So I'm going to do all my goal setting in here. I'm going to journal every day. I'm going to keep track of my goal progress. That is going to be what this one is. There might be a little bit of memory keeping since journaling is going to be in here, but this one is just going to be kind of a planner for me, something where I can track how I'm doing and also journal a bit on how the year's going, how the day's going, things like that. So this guy will be planner number 4. So now that I've showed you guys what planners I'm going to be using, I'm going to flip you around. I'm going to open them up. I'm going to show you how exactly I'm going to be using them. All right, y'all. First up is the Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. I love to change out my covers for this guy, so I have a Christmas themed one right now. And this guy is half filled out, so I do have a lot of stuff done in this. Obviously not in the beginning. I wasn't using it very much, but I have a decent amount filled out in it. So let me flip you guys to kind of the overview. Let's jump into January since we're not there yet. So this is the monthly spread. I don't know if I'm going to be filling this out. I haven't decided yet if I'm going to use this because I am going to be using the spread in one of the other planners for the monthly spread, but it is here if I need it. I love how minimal it is. You have the monthly spread, and then you have the notes pages and the dashboard. Again, I'm not entirely sure if I'm going to be using this since I am going to have a goal setting planner. I might just tape runner these together and not even use it. And then this is the weekly spread, which I love. And this looks like it's the last week of December and the beginning of January. Let me flip back to a spread to show you kind of how I use this guy. Here we go. So this is usually how I use it, as like a time blocking type thing. So I have my dates. I have my workouts blocked off when I need to drop off and pick up my kids, my work. And then I just have like big broad categories, and then I go into the nitty gritty in another planner. Like big activities that are going on that I need to block off, that's what I put in this planner. So that is how I'm going to use this blank over spread. And I'm probably going to end up transferring my notes pages from the back into another planner. I'm not entirely sure. So this is going to be a weekly overview of my week, time blocking, things like that is going to be the Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. All right, planner number 2 is going to be this guy. This is the Petite journal planner, whatever you want to call, from Erin Condren. This is the meal planner, which says right in the corner. And it's this really pretty ombre from like purple to like teal color. And I call this a planner, but it's not super much a planner. That didn't make any sense. Don't listen to me. But it's not a planner in the mindset that like you plan out your activities. This is just honestly for my meals. This is just an example of probably how I'm going to use it. Probably no stickers. Honestly, I just don't think I need the stickers in this, but I might change up my pen color and things like that, and maybe use a little bit of highlighter here and there to like make it interesting. But meals on one side, and then my shopping list and a little bit of meal prep on the other side. This one I did like an all purple spread. I've used it intermittently. Like this one is one date or 1 week in October. This one is 1 week in September. I really just need to do a better job of getting into this, but there are so many weeks left in this guy. This is what a blank spread looks like. You just have your days of the week on the side, your breakfast, lunch, your dinner. It is just so simple and minimal, but I am very excited to utilize this. I might even be able to throw this in the back of one of my planners to like keep them together, but this is going to be planner number 2. All right, y'all. Planner number 3 is my workhorse. This is my daily planner. I have decided to go with this Makselife one because I liked the layout better than the A5 Daily Duo from Erin Condren. Now, I will be selling kits for this Makselife Daily Planner and the Erin Condren A5 Daily Duo. So if you've bought those from me or you're interested, those will stay in the shop. I am just not currently using that planner. So it has that beautiful teal cover. You open it up. You have your name. You have all of your goal setting stuff in the beginning, which I'm going to be making a video on. I have started working through some of this goal setting stuff, and it's hard work, guys, but it's going to be worth it. So it is undated, which I love. This is a pretty pricey option. 1/4, this has 3 months in it. 1/4 is like $50. So it is definitely pricey. But I feel like it's going to be an investment because it has the goal setting system with it. So we're going to see how it goes, how 3 months in this planner goes. If it goes well, I will order the next planner and so on and so forth. But it is completely undated. So I do have monthly kits and weekly kits for this in my shop. So up here, you can put whatever date you want to start on. I am starting this in January, so this will be a January spread for me. There are no dates on it. You can do whatever you want. You have a sidebar there. And then after that, you have your monthly goal section. So Makselife divides your goals into 8 different categories: personal, fun and recreation, work and learning, family and relationships, health and wellness, spiritual and personal growth, financial and physical environment. So you have monthly goals in each of these categories that you want to achieve. So you can do whatever you want. You can use stickers. You can use marker here. You have an area here as dot grid to do whatever you want. You can reflect, do whatever you need on this side. You can do a tracker. You can do a mood tracker, kind of however you want to handle this guy. Then you have your monthly goals, and this page you have your weekly goals. So you have your big overarching goal for the month, and then you divide it into things that you can do every week to achieve that monthly goal. So again, you have weekly actions within your 8 categories. Then you start into the week. So then you have this page here, which is a weekly overview. You have Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday, straight up and down, week of, and focus. You can use this for whatever you want. It is just a nice weekly overview to maybe kind of plan out your week, the big events on this side. And then you go into your daily spread. So this one is a undated daily spread. You have a big checklist on the side. You have an area here for some time blocking, a focus area. You can put the date, dot grid at the bottom, and then you have the 3 boxes. I have so many ideas on what I want to use this for. It is honestly so exciting. There are so many like good ideas from content creators out there. I am going to play around with this like crazy to try to figure out what I want to do. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. What I love about this planner, what I literally love, is that your weekend is on the same page. With the daily duo, your Saturday and Sunday are not always on the same spread. Saturday and Sunday will always be together on this spread, which I love. And then after your Sunday, you go back into your weekly actions. You have the dot grid, you have your weekly actions, you do your weekly overview. You do that all the way to the end. Let's see, all the way to the end. And then at the end of the month, you have a monthly reflection. You have questions that you ask yourself about your monthly goals, and then it goes into the next spread. At the end of the 3 months, you have a quarterly assessment where you assess how you're doing on your goals for the first 3 months. You can kind of rescore yourself within their scoring system. And then at the back, you have like future plans, since this is only a 3-month planner. And then you have some dot grid pages, quite a few, I would say, here at the back. I even put a sticker kit in here already because I'm ready to use it for January. You have a folder, you have some stickers, and then you have an additional like folder here at the back. I'm so excited for this planner, guys. This daily planner, honestly, it makes me excited to plan again. This I'm gonna have to get used to, this strap. I've never had a planner with that, but I like the functionality of it. So the Makselife A5 Daily is going to be my workhorse, my 3rd planner. Last but not least is this guy. This guy is a behemoth. It is a big planner. This is the Makselife 12-month flagship planner. So this is not on a coil. This is what's called a wire O binding. I'm not really quite sure how I feel about it yet. I've never had a planner with it, so this is the first time for me. You got to choose 4 different covers. I chose the floral. There was a chevron, a mixed media, and then I think like a burlap type cover. But I wanted the really pretty florals. So again, in the beginning, this is going to be double for me. I'm not quite sure if I'm going to use it, but there's a goal setting section in the front here. Haven't decided if I'm going to keep it or if I'm going to take it out, since I'm doing goal setting in the daily planner, but this one is dated. So this one starts in January and it is dated. You have a quote here at the top of every month. It's kind of a different color scheme. This one has like light purple date dots, but other than that, it's very minimal. Again, I have monthly kits for this planner, the 7x9 Makselife, in my shop as well, so I'm going to be using those. And it is the same kind of format. You have your monthly goals, then you have your dot grid, you have your weekly actions, and this is what this spread looks like. So this I was really excited about. And this is kind of why I chose to do journaling, is because it has lines. It is a vertical planner with lines. And I love this little bottom, like this little area here at the bottom. I might use that as like a memory for every day, like something that, maybe not something exciting. Maybe it's my youngest lost a tooth or something, but just some little memory here at the bottom. Then you have the habits, which I don't really think I'm going to use. I honestly might not even use the side mark. I might use it as like a decorative area. But every single week, you have your weekly actions, you have your vertical layout, and then at the end of the month, you have your monthly reflections. So again, I'm not really quite sure what I'm going to do in regards to repeating the goals, like the reflections and everything in every planner, but I'll have to figure that out as I go. So if you flip to the back of this one, you have extras. And at the back here, you have a kind of future planner. You have all of 2022 and all of 2023. You have some important dates at the bottom you can write. And then in this one, instead of dot grid, you have lined. I think you have 6 lined pages here. Again, I have a monthly kit already in here, ready to go. You have the folder. You have a little bigger of stickers for this guy. I love that they include stickers. And then you have a folder at the back. So this is my 4th planner. This is going to be my journaling, memory keeping, goal setting. Honestly, I might do all my goal setting in this big planner just because it has more space to do things in it. Like the smaller planner just doesn't have a lot of like the space. It's a smaller planner. Size comparison, It's not super small comparatively, but I mean, it's enough that I feel like I might want the extra space. Okay, so my 4 planners for this year that I'm starting out with. This guy right here is my Erin Condren Hourly Life Planner. This will be my weekly overview, my time blocking, just kind of my if I need to put a planner, and honestly it might be this one, in my kitchen, it would be this one for my kids to look at, being like, okay, there's an activity here, there's an activity here, things like that. This guy right here is going to be my workhorse, my Makselife A5 Daily Planner. This is going to be for all my nitty-gritty to-do lists, content, everything that I need to do is going to be in this guy. This is going to be probably the one that goes with me everywhere because it's going to have all the details. This guy is my meal planner. This will be going not with me, but it will be used weekly to plan out my meals, plan out my groceries. This one will probably go with me to the grocery store. So it's really portable, throw it in my purse, and I have my grocery list with me. This guy right here is my journaling, memory keeping, goal setting, big planner. This is the 12-month Makselife flagship vertical planner. So 4 planners to start out the year. We will see how this goes. I am not entirely sure, but this is what I came up with and what I decided on. I'm so excited for this. I think it's mostly because this Makselife company is new to me, and it is going to be, I just had this feeling that it's going to be amazing. 2022 is a year that I really want to focus on my goals and myself, and the past couple years have just been sucky. So 2022 has got to be better, right? If you guys have any questions about any of these planners, drop them in the comments below. I will do my best to answer them. I will put links to the planners if they are in stock. 2022 cannot come soon enough. I will have setup videos on this guy and this guy, maybe. Definitely this one, there'll be a setup video. So be on the lookout for those. I hope you guys all have an awesome day, and I'll talk to you guys next time. Bye.